dear friends, today we are learning early humans, a journey through time. So, what we will learn and discover? We will discover how early humans lived, hunted, and created art long ago. So, let's dive deep in this topic. Four key concepts: tools, shelter, food, and community for early humans. Early humans made simple tools from stone and wood to help them survive. They built shelters like caves and huts to protect themselves from weather and animals. Their diet included plants, fruits, and animals. They learned to hunt and gather food. Early humans lived in groups and worked together, sharing responsibilities and resources. Introduction to early humans and their life. So, let me introduce to early humans and their life. Early humans lived over 2 million years ago. They were hunters and gatherers who roamed in search of food. They used simple tools made from stones and bones. These early people formed small groups and learned to work together for survival. Their ability to adapt was crucial for their success in a changing environment. Early humans were resourceful and innovative. Early life in early human communities. Early humans lived in small groups called tribes. They worked together to hunt animals and gather food. These communities were often nomadic, moving to find resources, but built simple shelters from materials like wood and animal hides. Over time, they learned to farm, which allowed them to stay in one place. This changed helped create larger settlements. Daily life of early humans. Let us discover how early humans lived, what tools they used, their clothing choices, and how they hunted for food. Tools of early humans. Early humans created simple tools from stones and bones. These tools helped them hunt, gather food, and build shelters. Clothing choices. They made clothing from animal hides and plants. This clothing kept them warm during the cold seasons and protect them. Hunting techniques. Early humans used spears and traps to catch animals. They worked together in groups to improve their chances of a successful hunt. Four important aspects of early humans. The discovery of fire. Fire was an essential tool for early humans. It provided warmth, protection, and a means to cook food. Without fire, survival would be much harder for our ancestors. The development of language. Language allowed early humans to communicate and share ideas. This helped them work together, forming stronger social bonds and improving their chances of survival. The creation of art. Art was a way of early humans to express themselves. They created cave paintings and carvings that told stories and shared experiences, showcasing their creativity and culture. The rise of agriculture. Agriculture changed how early humans lived. They learned to grow crops and domesticate animals, leading to settled communities and the ability to support larger population. Quiz questions about early humans. Use of fire. Let us discuss how early humans relied on fire to keep warm during cold nights, to cook food and make it safe, to scare away dangerous animals, to provide light in dark caves, for signaling and communication with others. Types of tools used by early humans. Understanding how tools help early humans. Stone tools used by early humans. Sharp flint tools for cutting. Heavy stones for pounding food. Scrapers for animal hides. Wooden and bone tools used by early humans. Sturdy wooden spears for hunting. Bone needles for sewing clothing. Bones as digging sticks for roots. Comparing early humans and modern humans, what makes us different and similar? This comparison helps us to understand how early humans and modern humans are alike and different. Early humans used simple tools and lived in caves. Both early and modern humans walk upright and use language. Modern humans have advanced technology and complex societies. Understanding early humans, migration, adaptation, and survival. Migration. Early humans moved from one place to another in search of food, water, and better living conditions. This movement helped them to explore new areas and thrive. Adaptation. Early humans used to learn to adapt to their environment. They made tools and used resources around them to survive the harsh conditions of their habitats, like creating clothing and shelters. Survival. To survive, early humans formed groups and worked together. They communicated, shared food, and developed skills that helped them protect themselves from predators and find food. The role of art in early human life. Art was very important to early humans. They created cave paintings to express their thoughts and experiences. These artworks often depicted by animals they hunted and daily activities. By drawing, they shared stories and taught younger generations about survival. Art also helped build a sense of community and identity. It showed their creativity and connection to nature. Quiz questions about early humans. Adaptation is how early humans learn to change their behavior and to survive in different environments. This ability allowed them to find food, build shelters, and stay safe. Art was important because it helped communicate their experiences, making lives richer and more meaningful. Quiz. Quiz question. What do we call the groups early humans lived in? Answer is tribes. Quiz question. What materials did early humans use to make tools? Bones, wood, and stones. Quiz question. What did early humans often paint? Cave paintings. Thank you for watching my video.